Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to make a Python program by which we'll get details and locations of a phone number using our Android mobile phones. So you might have seen that sometimes you get a missed call or a call from some unknown number. Now you would like to know about that number, so you can use this program to get the number's detail and its location. Hence this program can be very useful. And we are going to use our own Android mobile phones. We are not going to use any PC or desktop environment during this whole program or during this whole process. So now to know more about such interesting coding projects on Android mobile phones, you need to subscribe to my channel, that is Code with Alex. You can also follow me on my Instagram handle with the same name. The link will be provided in the description. Okay, enough with the intro now. Now we will move toward the practical part. So let's go. In this video we are going to use two apps which are Acode and Termux. You can install them on Play Store, and I have already given a detailed info about them in my previous video. You can go and check it on my channel. So now first of all we will open the app Termux. Okay, now before writing this program we are going to need some modules which are not already pre-installed on Python. So we are going to install them. So let them be installed. Then now we'll start with writing of our program in this info.py. We will start writing. First of all we will import all those modules which I have installed. First of all we are going to import this OS module which is already pre-installed in Python. Now after importing all these modules, now after that we are going to use an API. Okay, after that we will search. On here you can search numverify. As you can see, it is a free powerful JSON API offering international and national phone number validation, carrier location and line type lookup for developers. So we'll go here. Now when you will go down, you can click on this start using the API. After that you should go for the free plan. It is more than enough for us. As you can see, I have already taken it. After that you'll have to, first of all you have to log into this. You'll have to provide your email ID and a password. After that you'll go to dashboard, and here you can see this is my API key. After getting your API key, you can copy. You will have to copy this link. Okay. Now we are going to go to this link from Python, and to do that we are going to use our requests module. So now as you can see that we have used two variables, number and country. Now we'll have to create these two variables, and remember that you have to create these two variables before this requests variable R. As you can see that this R variable will get the web page. Now we have to get the HTML form of that web page. So we'll make a variable HTML data which will be equal to r.text. We are going to use our next module, that is beautiful soup. It is a variable, it is a module which handles HTML data and gives us information in JSON and string forms. This will print all the details which you will get from the site. Like you will enter a mobile number, and then you will enter the country code, and when you will get all the details about its location and all those things. Now this soup variable is a bs4 variable, so we'll convert it into a string. We are slicing the soup variable and taking out the value of location variable. Okay. Now to show this variable in a map, we will require to get its coordinate, and to find its coordinate we are going to use another API which is OpenCage. Search for OpenCage and you will see this opencagedata.com. Then start your free trial, and here you'll have to sign up with Google or make an ID. After that you will get an key, API key. you will get that API key on your email ID, and you can also get it here. Let's again go back to our program. Now we will create a variable named key, and I will copy my key here. We are going to use OpenCage module. Now you can print this variable result and see your coordinates, but as you will see that these coordinates are all a group of very large data. So from this large data we only require our own latitude and longitude. So here I am going to make it a comment, and now I am going to extract my latitude and longitude from this data. Okay, now to get these, now we are going to show this latitude and longitude on a map. For this we are going to use our last module which we have installed, that was Folium. Now we will save this, my map. We will save it in a file named as mylocation.html. It will be an HTML file. Okay, now our location is saved in this file. Now we can also open this file using a program only. Now what does this OS command will do? It will run this command from our terminal. So it will then this command termx open will open our file mylocation.html. So now our program is ready. As you can see, it is hardly a 30-line program. Okay, now let's check for some errors. Okay, as you can see that here it will be integer, not a string, so we'll write 0. Okay, now I think everything is good. We'll save it. Okay, now we are going to run this program in the Termx app. We'll open it. For running it, we'll have to write on Python and name of the program, that is info.py. We'll press enter. It asks for number. I'm going to give my number. I'm going to write the country code. Now remember, the country code is a 2-letter word and it is supposed to be in capital letters. So remember it, otherwise you'll get some errors. And as you can see, it is working perfectly. Now as I told the program to ask me whether I want to open the file or not, so it is asking me. I will say why. Yes, I want to open it. And see, it is going to download this mylocation.html file. Let's download it. We are going to open it. You can zoom it, but the location is not that accurate. So now as you can see that we are done with the program. We have found the details about the carrier and local number and all those details, and we also find the location of the number using our program. I hope you like the program. If you like the program, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and comment any difficulties which you face while performing this program in your own mobile phone. You can comment it and I will try to resolve all your difficulties and any of your problems as soon as possible.